It's so good to see you. You look amazing. Who am I kidding? You always look fantastic. I'm so glad you're joining me here in my workshop today. And not only joining me in the workshop, but joining me here in this video as I introduce you to me and me on Patreon. Let me introduce myself for those of you who don't know. My name is Chuck Lotta. This jump to Patreon has been a long time coming. Been wanting to do it for a while now, and today is the day I make the leap. And also what's going on today? Today, the day I'm recording this, September 20th, 2021, it's my birthday. I'm 56 years old today. And I wish that I would have done this a long time ago. All my life I've enjoyed creating and making and building. And after some jobs that didn't quite suit me, I've decided it's time I just take my future into my own hands and do what I love to do. And that's to make, build, invent, create. And I'm inviting you to join me in this journey as we embark on the future. Let's start off with the tour of my shop. Mochi. Hi, Mochi. Say hi. Mochi. Mochi. Say hi. It's not very big. It's my spare bedroom of my 2-bedroom apartment. But here it is. Storage here of a variety of different things, all stuffed to the brim. We have a variety of artwork on the walls. This is a cutting board that I'm nearing finishing. It has a not checkerboard, but sort of a digital pattern to it. And here's a coaster I've made. There's a series of other coasters that are in the works. We have storage, tools and equipment, another workbench, and another cutting board. This one is of a tumbling block design, so it has a 3D effect to it. And more coasters lying around. This also has a tumbling block design to it. And these blocks here are going to be a butcher block type of cutting board. And what else? Storage. Oh, let's take you outside. A vacuum chamber for when I do epoxy resin. We have a couple of workstations here. We have sanders. Give you a view of my balcony here. Lovely Los Angeles, California. And let's go back into the shop. In the next few weeks, I'm going to be uploading a variety of video shorts for some of these ideas that I have worked on in the past and have already created, such as the fire art, and give you a better perspective of some of the things that I make. So what did I say? Woodworking, t-shirts, flame effects art, cat toys. I'm very new to this endeavor of not only Patreon, but making videos of my work and talking to the camera. It might not always be talking to the camera. I might change it up and do voiceover. I don't know. I'm learning this as I go and figuring it out as I go. So please bear with me. But I look forward to this. This is going to be fun. This is going to be a great new endeavor. I have no idea if there's going to be any sort of a YouTube following. If so, fantastic. If not, so be it. But more than anything, I'm really over the moon that you're considering to support me in my artistic goals, and I really hope that this can turn into something. So thank you for joining me on this journey, and I'll talk to you soon in more videos. Love you. Oh, hello. Oh, hey. I didn't hear you come in. Come on in. So, I've got several... I have cats fighting in the background. I don't know what to say. Oh, good lord, this is harder than I thought. Yeah. Okay. Hi.